it works.
Man, I could use some pizza. Don't worry. We're all negative, so.
Dang, this thing's cool. Wow. Electric door?
Wow, dude.
No, manual door.
This thing is a relic, isn't it? Oh, yeah. I work on elevators and you'd never see these, dude.
Otis Elevator Company. Original
Wow.
Birdcage. Are you gonna record this one?
Yes.
Alright, let's hit the 4.
Have a lovely night.
Oh.
If it goes.
Yeah, we have to hold it. Wow, this is crazy. Has an interlock on there. I don't know if that's an add-on or original, but. And is this Otis?
Yes.
Yeah, oh yeah, branding.
Let's chill out on the roof for a second. There's a service elevator here.
Service elevator too? Darn. It's got a mirror and everything.
Oh my god, this thing. Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah, I can't see it on camera, but it's on there.
When we go back down.
Yeah, we'll look at the cabs.
I'm gonna get some pictures first.
It's very dark on here. I'll have to use my flashlight for.
Oh, look at that. Let's see the wheels.
Oh yeah. Let's get some lights on here. Works a little better, but not the best. You said there's a service elevator too? That looks like a door. It's probably a stairwell.
Oh wow. Oh, never mind. Come on, this looks like a. This is tight space.
All these old buildings have tight spaces. So, up a level on the stairs in this building.
This is crazy. So this is like where the maids would live, I take it?
Yeah, this is the housekeeping floor.
Ooh,
Oh,
I don't need to do that.
yeah, that's all right.
Oh, look, there's
I don't know. What's this? Oh, is this the roof? Hey,
looks like
you can't hardly see anything on video, but maybe if I turn on my other light. There, that's a little better.
this is the attic. Here, let's see if we can go through.
Oh, yeah, you gotta actually crawl through. Like legitimately. This is a cool building. So this is the other stairs. We should probably close that other door.
Oh, look at this. I think this used to be an elevator button. Yeah, let's close that other door.
We'll have to do that. Go ahead and go do that. Yeah. Oh no, that button's a light switch. That's a light switch, that button. Light switches used to be 2-stage. So this is used, it looks like it's the storage for the apartments.
Dude, this is something. Oh, what's up here?
Just roofing. Probably a roof hatch.
Dude, this is like straight out of a horror movie.
This is like urban exploring, which is cool, but I should have done a separate video.
You can start filming.
Okay. Darn, this is so dark though. Oh, and you're gonna hit your head on a ceiling if you don't. Okay. Yeah, I think this is a roof hatch.
Yeah, let's not do that.
Probably shouldn't go up there. We're not roofers.
Yeah, where's the operating machine?
Although, yeah, could be that. I don't feel like it. It's not really what we're here to do. Alright, we're gonna get back on the elevator.
Oh my god.
gonna have to wait for them to get off, but there it comes.
Yeah, look at that Otis plate on it.
Oh yeah.
This is beautiful.
All right, here it is.
A little zoomed out. You want to open it?
Sure.
Get you open it on camera.
And this one, we just slide it open.
Exactly.
There we are.
Wow.
Beautiful.
This is just. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. And they could totally film a horror movie in that attic.
Oh yeah, upstairs.
There's Elevating Denver.
And SPS 8.
Check this out. Here you go.
Oh,
This
yeah.
elevator inspected by the American Employers Insurance Company of Boston, Mass. That's
Nice.
awesome.
Let's I guess let's close it up and
Take it for a spin.
yeah. Please close both gates gently.
She's an old lady.
I'll wait for you to push the button.
Let's see the lights.
Doesn't look like it. We can watch outdoor.
This is so pretty, dude.
How old do you think this is?
Oh, I think this is from the 1800s.
18 something. Wow.
This thing is old. Old.
And I think, are we going to the basement?
Yes.
Okay. I was gonna say we're going further than the lobby.
Behind you.
Oh,
That's the
here's the
machine.
drive.
Look at
It's
this.
bottom drive.
It's a winding drum.
Nice. So the cable just winds around this thing.
Exactly. We'll take it up and then back down.
It looks like there's one of the selection or the mechanisms.
Wow, dude.
I got my light on.
Let's
if you can
definitely
see
check
it.
that out once we're done with the video.
Yeah, we can.
Oh, put your flashlight in there.
I don't know how bright it is, but you can
You
see
can
some
see
stuff.
quite a bit. It's a big machine too.
Yeah,
It's huge.
pretty large one for.
There's your COP.
All right, should I select the next floor? Should we
Yes,
go back
sir.
up?
You can go up to 4 and then back down to B.
Yeah, I think you have to hold it. Yeah.
This thing is a beauty, dude.
We can watch out the corner here too, get a completely new view.
Oh yeah. What were you watching out last time?
I was just doing the front.
Oh yeah, this thing is really. Oh my god, dude, this is something.
8 minutes for an elevator video. Usually they're not this long, but.
Hey, but this thing's worth it.
And we were exploring the.
Oh my
upstairs.
god, this
I
is
got
the
that,
alarm.
too.
Check it out. This is the alarm.
That's the alarm.
Toot toot. Oh
real
my God.
genuine. It looks like there's a button, but we probably shouldn't press it. I have
I'm
a
not
feeling.
gonna push it. Dude, look at the custom Perrenoud.
Yeah. Decorations that are totally custom made.
Oh, this is beautiful, dude. Oh, there's the old
Holy-
emergency phone down there.
That's a new one. That's ADA.
Yeah, for sure.
I would imagine you'd really need it
I love
on
this
a
old little light fixture.
system
too.
like this where there's really nothing else.
Single speed.
Nice. We gonna get off here or are we gonna go back out?
Yeah, we get it off here. How do I open this? This is it's-
Pull to the right.
There we go.
Missed levels on this
Oh,
floor.
there's like a gallery down here.
Oh, here, let's close it back up.
Oh, for sure. Oh, dude, it's like the old doorbell button here. That's till they call it. Just let them know, hey, I need to use it.
Yeah. Nice.
That's it.
Yeah.